An update on the COVID-19 situation in Singapore. 27 new cases were confirmed today. They included one community case, a work pass holder.
There were also 9 imported cases who have been placed on stay-home notices upon their arrival in Singapore. More details will be released tonight.
In other news, Singapore Airlines no longer has plans for flights to nowhere. Instead, SIA said today that the public can still experience the airline service on the ground through 3 other initiatives that will be launched in the coming weeks. These are lunch on board an Airbus A380 jumbo jet, a tour of SIA's training facilities, and home delivery of meals from its first and business class menus. SIA said it developed these experiences after conducting a market study and review which looked into factors like environmental implications and financial viability.
Meanwhile, Singapore is looking into ways to facilitate essential business and official travel to Sichuan province in southwestern China in a bid to kickstart business exchanges. Trade between Sichuan and Singapore reached $1.71 billion between January and August this year, a jump of more than 20% compared with a year ago. Singapore is also Sichuan's largest foreign investor so far. Now, if you recall, fast lane between Singapore and 6 Chinese provinces and cities were previously set up in June.
32 diners have been fined $300 each for flouting COVID-19 rules at F&B outlets. Their offences included not wearing a mask promptly after eating or drinking, intermingling between tables, as well as sitting in groups of more than 5 diners. In addition, 8 more F&B outlets have been ordered to close. Some common breaches found were the sale and consumption of alcohol after 10:30 p.m. and diners across multiple tables intermingling with one another and sharing food. 14 outlets were also fined. 13 were fined $1,000 and 1, a repeat offender, fined $2,000.
According to a Singapore Management University survey, commuters were happy with the increased cleaning on trains and buses during the circuit breaker, as well as the drop in passengers in the same period. The online survey of about 7,500 people showed substantial increases in commuter satisfaction scores from May to July compared with the same period last year. In June and July, though, after the circuit breaker, the scores fell to the same levels as 2019. With many returning to work and public transport becoming more crowded, commuters are calling for higher service frequency and limiting the number of passengers per cabin.